How to find Facebook username. Now you might be thinking as to what is your Facebook username aside for the name that you have on your Facebook account. Now in order for you to find the Facebook username, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon right here, and then beside the edit profile icon, you will be able to see these three dots right here. All you have to do is to tap on that. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see your profile link right here. So all you have to do in order for you to see your Facebook username, and this after the www.facebook.com-profile right here and ID equals right here, you will be able to see your Facebook username. If you have changed your Facebook username into a real name or into a real username, you will be able to see that on your ID profile right here. However, if you haven't changed your Facebook username, you will only see numbers on your profile link. Now you can share your Facebook username or your Facebook account in total by copying the link of your profile link right here and share it to other social media platforms. So that's how to find Facebook username. Hope we help.